Alright guys, so I want to just come and tell you this stuff here, I ain't got my gloves on now, but this stuff is moist. It's moist and it was sitting right down in the bottom, you know, so really guys, it's sitting right down in here on the inside. So that's a lot of muck. And like I said before guys, this car, you know, I'm cleaning all of this up with the seam seal. I'm cleaning all of this and gonna re-seam seal all of this. I gotta do the other side, make sure that the other side ain't got a bunch of junk in there too. But this is what I be talking about, guys. This car has been sitting in this garage, out the weather, not getting wet for over, I have to say at least 6-7 months, guys. It's been in here. It might even been longer than that, guys. I might have started tearing this car apart. This car might have been in the garage a good year or better now, guys. I just don't remember when I first brought it in here. Everything just be colliding together with me as much as I be doing. But look at that, guys. Sitting in here 6 months to a year, or even better. If I go back and look at when I start tearing this car apart, see how long this car has been in here. Now even this is wet, but this was just sitting down in the bottom of there, guys, and I had my gloves, and you see the stuff all on the little pick here, you know, just digging it out, taking my hand, bringing it out. Look at that, moist for months, guys. So that's why I say, you know, it ain't gotta just be the salt. It's just this stuff sitting in here for years and years, just constantly rusting your car out, guys. And this is an Arizona car. This car is pretty clean. Never really seen no salt. That's why it haven't rusted through, guys. But it is rusty in there. It's still solid. But I will be, I'm gonna get the water hose and I'm gonna spray this out in here real good, and then try to get the vacuum cleaner to get in there and suck all of this, as much of this stuff out, and then I'm gonna be pour 15 in there, guys. So alright guys, I just want to show you that's what you be dealing with, you know, stuff that you can't see, you know, even in these areas. If there's holes in here on the inside, or even right here, I spray this out a lot of times, guys. Get as much dirt that's sitting in there out that I can get, guys. I mean, the best way to do these cars, look at that, just a mess. The best way to do these cars is to have them dipped, you know. But you know, this one is in decent shape though. I mean, it's real solid still. So let me get the water hose and spray this baby out. Alright guys, so I just want to show you, look at how much rust came out of there when I blowed that out in there, guys. That's a lot of rust and sediment that came out of there. So then I blowed in each one of these holes here too, guys. And then I'm going to come up under and show you. I blow it all the way down. I'm going to just come up under here real quick now. See if this light cut on. Alright, see that stuff there, guys? That's all in there, guys. So I got to continue spraying this out to this start spraying out clean, guys. So that's all to stay in there, and that stuff is staying wet all the time too, guys. I'm telling you, it'll just stay wet in there. So you just want to blow all of this out. After I get done with this car, it's gonna last until, you know, something happened. But boy, it's a lot of muck in there, guys. So I like spraying it out the best I can. All right.